Now this is working with the S4HANA. So both are all looks with the Sybase, but technically I'm not so much good about basis and all here. Here you see S4HANA embedded means system will be available separately in ECC. S4 system here, see now. So this is S4 system is procurement and EWM activity. Both are available here. Okay.
And procurement will be available in the screen.
Yes, procurement and EWM both also available. This is EWM system which I am showing here. So this is the one.
Okay.
You now click on execute here. This is the EWM system here. So here you see now logistics like inbound delivery, outbound delivery creation will be done in ECC system. There are two separate systems are available if you are working with a decentralized EWM system. If it is S4HANA embedded EWM system, both EWM and ECC part will be available as bundle package like our smartphone. That's all. Okay. So now here you see now when you go to this one landline, speaker will be different, and then dial will be different with the older phone. So that's a conventional system we can say. So nowadays smartphone everything is available in one box. As for an embedded like that, SD, FI, CO, EWM, everything is available as a bundle package here. So that is the thing. So now, for example, ECC separately implemented and EWM separately implemented, which will be connected through RFC connection here. Okay. So that is the thing. So here all the connectivity will be done by technical team. Functional activity will be done by EWM consultant. In my session, I am going to teach you how you are going to work as a functional consultant. You are not going to do any program development, program or coding, nothing you are going to do. So just how you are doing with the DevOps model or any other things, this navigation I am going to show you. So for example, here first you need to create the PO, purchase order in the ECC system or in S4 system. Then you send it to vendor, do the goods receipt or inbound delivery creation. And then those things is updated here. Okay. So goods receipt, when you do here, all material document and accounting document will be generated in ECC. In S4 system, all are available in the same system. Some of the technical things like CFM1, CFM2. So data transfer from ECC to EWM, EWM to ECC. So those things, lot of connectivity settings will be less compared to ECC to decentralized system. So that is the thing. So if you're already working with now Prashant is working and then Swapnil is already learned SAP So these guys are aware of that one. But Vijay Kumar, now you are maybe able to what is these things and all. So then when you started my session, I can explain you. First, I will take you activity. For example, what is activity here? So just go to create a ME21 and PO creation we can do here. So this server will be available with you. You can practice, but same server will be given to one total batch here. You guys has to what you can say. You have to decide your timelines when you are going to practice. Or all three guys, you can practice at a time. One person is working, other two person can observe. So by that time, it will be very important for you to understand the process flow. Okay, those things also will be very good here. Now system is taking time here. I will try to take other server which I am using here.
This is the S4 screen, right?
Yes, for screen. Yes. Okay, now here I am using my server here. Okay, now here because institute server is taking time here, so that's why I'm using this one. And institute server only you guys are going to practice, not with this server. Here. Just PO creation. This we are sending the purchase order to vendor, and then vendor will send the product to us. Okay. So this is the purchase order. This is comes under P2P part here. This is MM part. Okay. Now we can do the goods receipt and we can update the stock in our inventory here. So like your kitchen example also we can do. If you okay. Now in an organization we cannot do like this here. Now this is MM activity. Now VL31N. This is also shipping activity or inbound delivery creation we can do here. So this is the 1 kg I am purchasing here. So it will create a inbound delivery. So here, okay, now what is happened here? Go to slash and ME22N. Okay, I'll take this one anyway here. Okay, anyway, PO is created. Now I am taking another PO here. Now go to VL31N. This is not distributed from ECC to EWM here. So click on enter. Function only possible with confirmation control key ME22N. I think I am using this one, storage location, different one I am using. That's why it is not working here. MROD, if I selected here. So this is confirmation control key, which is updated here. Click on save. So these are all SD activity we can say here. Inbound delivery or outbound delivery creation with a shipping module. Okay. Now go to slash n VL31N. Okay, so click on enter here. Now here, enter here, click on save. It is not distributing here. What happened? I don't know. Again, storage location selected with the inventory management. So this is we have done with the inventory management. Okay, now if you want to do with the EWM here, we need to update the storage location properly. MROD, which is updated correctly. Then why it is not updating? Enter, enter here, unsave. No, it is not distributing. Someone is disturbed or I don't know. Okay, so this is the one EWM and then ECC. So these two things end-to-end flow will be explained here. For example, when you come to EWM, around 100 to 150 scenarios are available here. I am not going to show you all the scenarios. I am going to show you around 20 to 30 scenarios here. Okay, so basics I am explaining. So based on that one, you need to put your efforts and then whatever the business requirement is there, that you need to get the requirement, you need to plan it, you need to deliver it. That's all. That is your roles and responsibility. So here also customer interaction and then meeting with the business, get the details and then interact with the technical team. So these are all functional consultant role, what you are going to perform all the roles and responsibilities and what kind of tickets and issues are coming, how we are analyzing, how we have to analyze and how we have to deliver. All those things will be explained in the live sessions here. Okay. Now, for example, if I start now, so what I will start here. Now, today, if I start my session here, so Prashant is available already. If I want to go here, so first I need to create the ECC enterprise structure. So that one here, this is the first document if I taken here, overview here. First, we need to create the enterprise structure. See now here. So just create the company code and all here. Okay, now first you create the company. This company code, this activity will be performed by finance team. Assigning company code to company, this will be performed by finance team. We'll start from here, plant and all here. But in my session, I'm not going to take help from any FI team. So just I'm trying to do here just to run one cycle, like implementation cycle, understanding if you want to do end to end, I will do from my end. Okay, but real time, this exercise will not be done by our team or ourselves. So this will be done by the finance team. So then plant creation onward, plant creation, the storage location creation will be done by team. Then we will start working from EWM onwards. This ECC activity, our sales organization and delivery creation and all will be done by the SD team. MMSD team will do. Okay, then EWM activity will be performed by the EWM team. So what is EWM roles and responsibility? What is roles and responsibility? All will be explained here. When I'm coming to demand in the market, SAP EWM is a niche skill. Nowadays, consultant are very limited. Peoples are available in the market. If you started working as an end user, also peoples are getting 20 to 23 lakhs. But which organization you are joining, that is depends on the package here. Package I am not going to promise here, because package always that is depends on your joining time. If you are joining immediately, people will give more package. If you are joining bit late, for example, I am working with a multinational company, my notice period is 3 months. People will bargain with a lesser package. I am in the notice period, I am going to join within 20 days, people are ready to give 30% hike with the present offer. That is the market scenario. So that's why package and all I am not going to confirm or anything here, but opportunities are available here. So prior to that, you need to learn and understand and rehearse and deliver that one. So that is your responsibility. Okay. So this is about my this one EWM, how I am going to teach you and all here. You have any doubt, you can ask me here. If I am already clarified, it's okay. If I am not clarified, I can help you whatever I know here.
Sir, I would like to ask that, like, can you just share us on Notepad, like, what is the business scenario when we
Hmm.
are doing an inbound delivery?
Hmm.
Means like material receiving in the warehouse, and other process it will be like material going out from the warehouse to the customer,
Yes.
like an
Now, yes.
end
See
user
now,
process.
yeah. This one how we are doing now, similar way you are doing in EWM only. That's all.
Okay.
Okay.
Like
Hmm.
after doing goods receipt, what will be the process after doing the goods receipt?
It's now PO creation. You are clear, right?
Yes,
Okay.
PO
After that
creation.
one, VL31N inbound delivery creation. Clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this will be happen in ECC system. When the inbound delivery is created here, ECC to EWM, it will be replicated automatically to EWM. ECC to EWM or S4 to EWM. So it will be transferred here. For example, you are using a storage location which is EWM integrated storage location. By the time VL31N, if you created here, delivery will be replicated automatically to EWM. If it is non-EWM managed storage location, both example I shown here only, but it is not replicated. Now when I create inbound delivery here, this is system here, VL31N, it will be shown as, I think I showed you in the last session for you, right? Okay, this one, my server is
Inbound
working.
delivery creation.
Inbound delivery creation, I showed you on that day, right?
Yes, yes, we created, but in the
Mm.
last we
Mm.
got stuck after confirming the warehouse task.
Okay, okay. Now I'll try to this one. This is the institute server is working. ZBWM warehouse is available. That you can do, you can try that one. But here also I was using in the morning. I don't know now what happened here.
Sir, I'm not asking for on system, like business process. Like after inbound delivery, what is the next process we do? Like
Uh,
we bring the material in the storage location. We bring the material in a bin. Then after bin,
okay.
it has been placed somewhere else. Like that idea we
Now,
will get.
this is now it's PO, okay, IBD. And then after that one here, GR will be done in EWM system. Once GR done, system will be communicated back to ECC. Then stock will be updated in MMBE in ROD bin here. Okay, ROD means receiving stock. Put away, it is not moved to put away. So once you are completed here, warehouse task here. So warehouse task means activity. Like here, the stock came to door. From door to it will go to unpacking center or unpacking work center. Then it will go to packing center. Then packing center it will go to final bin. So that warehouse task creation, once the warehouse task is completed, it will be completed as put away. So put away means stock will be available finally for the goods issue. Okay. Now here we are creating two storage location, one with the ROD, one with the AFS. When you do the goods receipt in EWM, the stock will be updated in ROD or storage location, but you are not able to pick the stock. So when you perform the put away task completion in EWM system, stock will be moved from ROD bin to AFS with a movement of 411 automatically. Then the stock is available for sale order. If you want to create purchase order, you need to use the ROD storage location. If you want to create the the sales order, then AFS storage location to be used here. So always sales order will be used for finished product. How we are using in SD. Here also we are using the same thing here. When you come to purchase order, inbound delivery is coming. When you come to sales order, outbound delivery is coming. Here major scenarios are here. If I am going to say here inbound IBD process here, and then OBD, okay, and then here internal movement. So this is the major business scenarios here, internal movement. Okay, and then here posting change. So posting change means what here? Posting change means quality to here, quality to unrestricted. Okay, or otherwise quality to blocked stock here. Okay, and then here blocked stock to vendor return, like that changes are coming here. And then here other than that one, POSC is available, process oriented storage control. For example, stock will be come to door to decon bin here. After decon it will be go to QA. Okay, after QA it will be go to put away final bin. So this is the business process here. Here handling unit. So what is handling unit here? Handling unit, like here the box. So box is coming, box is handling unit, pallet is also called as handling unit, and then transport unit also call it as handling unit here. So based on the size here, box can be 10 inches by 10 inches here. So now 10 by 10 here. So 10 by 10 by, so here 10 by 10 by 10 here. Okay, now pallet here. So pallet also 1 meter here, 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter here. Okay, so this is the thing, TU. So transport units here 10 meter. Okay, here 10 meter into 5 meter. Okay, like this here. So sizes are available here. So these are all the different scenarios. If you want to keep the stock here, this is a different scenario. If you want to keep the stock pallet, that's a different scenario. Transport unit, different scenarios. Like this here, based on the business organization requirement, it will be created up to 100 to 150 scenarios. Now, previously I worked with 135 test cycles here. Now, in one execution, from 100 to 300 or 350 test scripts we are writing for the testing. Okay, so that's why I'm telling here standard 30 to 35 scenarios or 50 scenarios max I am showing here in my session, I can say. Am I clarified your questions or still you have doubt? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So major things in the EWM here is inbound, outbound, internal movement, posting change, physical inventory, which is available in MM. Same only it is available in EWM. That's all. Okay, here you can take the food with the bare hands, or you can use spoon, like that only. So spoon is a organized one, so there is no hand dirty. Okay, so like that here in EWM, everything is organized at the spoon eating. It will be controlled by the system automatically without any manual intervention. So for those things, we need to do some kind of settings. We need to create the master data. So here also how it is coming, config data, master data, transaction data. Here also coming same, nothing different here. Your roles will be same. You are working, EWM will be very easy to migrate here. Even I also started working as consultant in 2011. Now I am EWM, EWM, but without you cannot live. Is basics. Okay, is very important. So I am working as a EWM consultant. If you don't know your issues are crying, you are dependent on consultant, then your issue will take 2 days, 3 days postponement. If you know your inbound issues will be resolved soon. If you know SD basics, your outbound issues will be resolved very soon. If you know PP, production order scenarios will be resolved soon here. Okay, now that is not updated here. POSC here, production also, production integration here, advanced production integration here, production integration here. You are manufacturing the product here. You are receiving the raw material. and then issuing the raw material to production line or production manufacturing area, and then assemble the product, do the goods receipt as finished product, like that only, which is coming here. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Then it can be integrated with the transport management. It can be integrated with the MDM. So here, so it can be integrated with any of the model, like supplier network collaboration. SNC portal is available, and then Salesforce portal is available. So that also can be integrated. And then Manhattan, this one warehouse management system is available. It can be integrated with that also. So a lot of connectivity options are available in SAP. In EWM also, those options are available here. It can be, and then advantage with SAP S/4HANA embedded here is Fiori. Okay, Fiori means, so you can log in with the Fiori system, the portal based. For example, GUI you are seeing here, the same activity you can perform with the Fiori portal also. So that is the major advantage which is available with S4. If you are working with the SAP decentralized system, that Fiori will not be available. If you are working with the S4 HANA system, Fiori is available. If Fiori is not available, RF gun, radio frequency gun, which we used in the WM, like our smartphone, how it is working here, you can use that. Equipments for goods receipt, scanning, and then goods issue, physical inventory, printout of warehouse document, inbound for outbound or labeling. All things can be done here with the Zebra printers. So it can be communicated anywhere here. SAP advantage, how it is available in MM, in EWM also it's extended. That's the thing. Clear? Okay. So any doubt here?
No.
Okay. So Vijay Kumar, so anyway, Prashant and these two guys are already enrolled with me. So Prashant only just basics, only one session. The system was not working on that day. I did not show anything. So that's why he's also question. So he asked the question. It was useful for Vijay Kumar also here. Oh, okay. The same thing we are also going to discuss with the business. We are getting the data. That's all. SAP EWM can be support for manufacturing, support for any of the industry like pharma, oil and gas, everything. Now, if we come EWM, who are all using here? Maruti Suzuki, they are using EWM. Honda Motors, they are using EWM. TVS Motors, they are using EWM. Okay. SAP and EWM. WM, EWM. For some plants, they are using still WM. Then Merck, Pharma, they are using EWM. So, like that, lot of opportunities are available in the market in the product based company also, service based company also. Okay, you remember, if you have an offer in your hand, you will get 2 to 3 offers in your hand nowadays with EWM. So that is the advantage. I am not telling anything lies here. It's a truth. Nowadays, people are getting offer with a company, but finally joined with a C company or D company. Even I have done the same thing 9 months back. Okay, it starts with the 10 lakhs, means 10 to 20 also. Sometimes it will be reached here. So many examples are there like that. And then you see now inventory management will not die at all. It's a never ending story. MM and DWM or MM and WM will not die. It's not a portal based, it's a GUI based. It works 100%. Skill, once you learned and started working, no need to turn back. It's a happy working environment will be there. And then good on-site opportunities are available with any of the organization if you are ready to travel. If you are a bachelor, it will be good for you to travel. Okay, if your family also, it can be, that is depends upon the organization, because organizations are thinking if they are carrying family, expense will be more, right? If you are carrying or traveling as a bachelor, expense will be less. So that's why. So that is the things. So that is depends on the organization, but opportunities are available more in the Europe also, Singapore also, Asia Pacific also. So not only abroad, in India also you are having lot of opportunities. Okay, hope I have clarified everything here. I given my inputs. You have any doubts? Later also you can ask the this one Jiblan guys. They can arrange an interaction with me.
Yeah, Girish, one question. So you
Hmm.
are going to conduct classes on alternate days or a daily basis?
Alternative days.
Then the coaching period will be extended to 3 months.
No problem, because you see initially you learn. Once you pick it up, you can go every day. See,
Okay.
you see now here you need to learn the process activity. You need to learn the configuration. You need to configure, test, and create document. This is the process. For me, not a problem. If I am going here, you give me just 3 Saturday, 3 Sunday, you give me every day 6 hours. I will complete everything. Okay. So that is not the way. You need to learn. You have to work in the real time, right?
Yes, meaning that you are going to give assignments alternate day, and we need to prepare documents for that assignments.
It's not a problem. You see, now Prashant is joining 9 to 9:40 every day. 9:40 is already sleep time. He cannot practice. It's a practical thing, right? Next day evening when he come to office, he will practice. For me, not a problem. If you are practicing today topic today only, tomorrow also I can take that one. That is not an issue for me.
Okay.
Okay. So once you join the session, that one timings and all we can plan accordingly. That's not a problem. It's within me and you guys here, trainer and students. Institute will not restrict anything here. So because based on my timeline and your timeline, we have to plan each other. That's all.
Okay. So, or do I need to go through with the MM module in
No,
detail?
no. Now you don't have time to do that one. I will teach you where MM is required for you, like material master creation, vendor master, and PO creation. On 2 to 3 activities which is required to go, and enterprise structure creation also I will teach you. That's not a problem. Okay.
Okay.
But if you learn, because now if you learn English, then if you learn sentence, it will be easy for you to learn. If you don't know sentence, this one alphabets also directly you can write the sentence creation. So people they don't know how to write English, but speaking will be very good vocabulary. So like that. Okay,
Okay.
that's not a problem. Okay, so that's all. Hope I have convinced you guys. Okay, Lalit, I'm closing my session. You have any questions?
I no, I'm